Good morning, everyone. As you can see, I'm in my bathroom. There's my serenity prayer. God grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, the courage to change the things I can, and the wisdom to know the difference. And over here is a little plaque that came from my daughter. It says, "Love, let all that you do be done in love." And then it says 1 Corinthians 16:14. But that's not why I'm in my bathroom, y'all. Of course, there's always the eye drop sign that I always forget. The reason I'm in my bathroom is this. See that? Now, this is the second time that I've seen this in my toilet. It's been a while ago that I've seen that like that. There's no warning. And then over here in the sink, that's the hot water. And this is the cold water. But it's not as dark as it is in the toilet. So I don't know what is going on. This to me looks a lot like blood. That same thing has happened. Now I'm getting as close as I can get, and hopefully I don't drop my phone in the toilet. Look at that. I don't know. I'm about to call my office. I don't know if it's, don't pay no attention to my washcloths and stuff over here, y'all. Oh. So trying to see. Yep. And the tub too, so I don't know. I'm going to look outside to see if I can see any trucks or anything out here working. I didn't check the kitchen, but I was in the kitchen earlier and I didn't see anything. I'm going to look out the door now. Chilly out here. Woo. I don't see any trucks out here working. Not as far as I can see. I'm going to go look out here. Nothing over here. I don't see anything. Not on this side. Look over. Ooh. I forgot anybody might have my sweater on. Nope. Unless it's coming from. See, there's a construction site down there because they're still working way down the street there on that community house that I think I showed to you before. I don't know if it's coming from there, but I'm going to call, I guess I don't know who to call, the water authority or somebody to tell me something, which I was getting ready to wash my hands in the bathroom because I had just used the bathroom. And I was getting ready to wash my hands. That's when I noticed it in the sink. Oh, Lord, what's happening to Dolly, y'all? I don't know, but I got her over here by the window. And these are the plants. This is the only one that looks like he's doing okay. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. I'm getting ready to, boy, that walk was something else. I tell you, I may have to take me, I can't find my butyrol. I don't know, it must be in my pocketbook or something. I don't know. But I can use these. I can use this. This is, I showed you this before. That's Spiriva. You've probably seen that advertised on TV. Is that close? Yeah, Spiriva something. I don't know, but I can use that because I'm out of breath. But I'm going to sit down here for a minute and relax. And then I'm going to call that office and see what's happening with this water. And that's about it, y'all. Oh, did y'all notice let's see. Let's see if you can. See my Mickey Mouse shirt, y'all? Got that from Walmart when my son took me to Walmart. I got it out of the men's department at Walmart. You know, I'll tell you the truth. Sometimes I go in the men's department. I like the men's department better than I do the women's department. I like Mickey. He's a nice big one. He's a nice old big old Mickey Mouse. I have a Mickey Mouse shirt already. I don't know if you've seen it or not, but it's black. Anyway, I am getting ready to close the video, y'all. I'll probably come up here later on with better content because I've been trying to work on my channel. That's what I was doing earlier this morning. And then this rains on my parade, this toilet thing. I mean, you look in your toilet and it looks like it's full of blood. What are you thinking? Mass murderer in the neighborhood? And I was just looking on YouTube just early this morning, because I couldn't sleep, like in the wee hours of the morning. And I said I shouldn't be watching this in the wee hours. And I forgot the guy's name. He had killed all these women. And his eyes kept blinking, blinking, blinking. I said, oh, brother, I ain't got no business watching this. And here I am today with a toilet full of what looks like blood. Where is it coming from? Where is it? Oh, boy, I got my TV on trying to talk. My TV's out talking to me again, y'all. You already know. I forgot. Because I was trying to show you the toilet. I wasn't thinking about recording. And I don't know how to turn this. I don't know how to turn this thing around, you know. So I got to look in the mirror so you can see me. Ooh, that's a horrible picture. Whatever. And let's let that beat goes on. Yeah. The beat goes on. I'll talk to y'all later. I go with love. See you later. Bye-bye.